I say to you, Assalamu alaikum. What do you say to me?
Assalamu alaikum.
No, I say to you, Assalamu alaikum. What do you say back to me?
Alaikum.
Alaikum. You're not even Muslim and you're going around stealing of
Show me
people?
what you doing?
Hey? Why you do this? Are you Muslim?
Yes, brother.
Say kalima. Say kalima.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah Bismillah Astaghfirullah.
This is kalima? This is no kalima. You can't even see kalima properly. You don't even know how to reply to Assalamu alaikum. How are you Muslim? Why you do this? Yeah. Your lady, this lady there, I give him salam. She don't even know how salam.
Call the police, then they take them.
This one.
Yeah, this one.
Where you from?
Where are you from? Romania?
Bosnia, brother.
Where are you from? Bucharest?
Bosnia.
Bosnia. You know Bosnia. You know Bosnia.
But
What is Prophet name? What is Prophet name for Islam?
Prophet name?
Yeah.
Muhammad.
Muhammad. Okay, where he, which country, where he born? Which country he born?
Where you born?
Yeah. You don't know where he born? Which country? If you're Muslim, you should know where he born.
Where you born? Which one?
Why you ask me? I know. I am Muslim. I ask you question because
I know,
you
I
lie.
know. Which one? You want to
You
say?
know Muslim.
No, which one you want to say? Which? From where are you from?
Yes, where he from?
Bosnia.
No, Muhammad. Where is Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam? Where he from?
But where you know? Where you from?
I ask you, you stupid. Where he from?
Pakistani.
Brother, do you want to slap now? Shall I slap you or shall I tell my friend to slap you? You taking the mic. I have got fasting. You go. I call the police for you now.
Don't you, brother?
I call the police for you. This wrong. You are big man. Look at the meat on you. You go and work. Why you don't go work?
But I don't have it.
You find work. You don't have it. But you're not Muslim. You agree this? You Muslim? No. You Christian.
You're not Muslim, are you? You're not Muslim, are you?
Sorry, brother. I'm very sorry if I do so to you some wrong. If you,
No need be sorry. You act pretend to be a Muslim and you get money of people. You're not even Muslim. Why you do this?
If you want money, be honest. Say you got no work, you got no job,
Yeah.
you need food. It's different. Don't pretend to be a Muslim when you're not. Be proud of who you are.
You're not Muslim. Go now before I call police. If I see you here again, I beat you up. Are you listening? You listen?
don't you, brother?
Okay, bye-bye.